Have you heard of Oregon Tech? It is a polytechnic university that emphasizes hands-on learning. They offer a variety of degrees, though they specialize in fields like engineering and medical. We have small classes with a student to faculty ratio of 14:1, so there's plenty of time for one-on-one discussion with your professors. OIT also has an incredibly tight-knit community, and thanks to the small class sizes, there's a lot more room for connection among your peers. Oregon Tech athletics are a huge part of our community as well because they participate in communal events often. Various events for students are also held on campus. For example, they hosted a family and alumni weekend with athletic events, food, and tours provided during fall term of 2024. Speaking of tours, the OIT campus is one of its best qualities. From its beautiful sunsets to the nature that surrounds its perimeter, the campus itself never fails to maintain a beautiful aesthetic. All around, Oregon Tech is a beautiful school that provides their community with a variety of opportunities to further their education.